Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Google Cloud Compute Engine VM packages step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the Compute Engine section in the sidebar. Select VM instances to view your list of virtual machine instances. Locate the VM instance you want to update. Click the SSH button next to the instance to open a terminal window. Once the terminal is open, ensure that you are logged in as the correct user. To start updating the packages, type the command sudo apt-get update. Press enter to execute the command. This command refreshes the list of available packages and their versions. After the update process concludes, type the command sudo apt-get upgrade. Press enter again to proceed with upgrading the installed packages. Review the packages that will be upgraded and confirm by typing Y when prompted. Wait for the upgrade process to finish. To ensure all packages are updated correctly, type sudo apt-get dist upgrade. Press enter to run the command. This will handle changing dependencies with new versions of packages. After the dist upgrade completes, type sudo apt-get auto-remove. This command removes any unnecessary packages that were automatically installed. Finally, type the command sudo reboot. Press enter to restart your virtual machine with the updated packages. After the VM restarts, you can reconnect via SSH to verify the updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.